了把个鸟铺的把铺的铺的把这把大啥的把考题呢不定下了呢，他有到了 security 的考。when they do daily reality la papu di puta di pa pa klu di pa ko ga de ko la mo na ta po ba tin na tha ta tu pa ga de kha ni do human resource ba ye le ta la ta blo la ni lu ba do ta ra ta ma pa ke hi lo ta ni to a ba mo no ho ta ni siblu sipu ba ta ra ta ma di pa la hi ni munda ma lo to po to munda la ta lo di pa la TCI ဒါလည်းနေကတူတလည်းတရတရမှုတွေဖာလဲဒီတီပူအပူကွေတရတရမှုတွေဖာလဲအဝဲတင်လာကေဟီလောတာကေဘာလာတလောက်ခိုင်ဒီရလေအိုတနွီရလေအိုမူပါစားတော့ရေကို long term ကာနေနိခိနွီတနီအနေရေကပါစကူမနေညာမနော်ဟိုတနေဟီတာယူယောစုပတရတမာတွေဖာပါလာ software master တွေဖာ human resource ne ari do kitala one of the challenges le me wala la Pakalu, Jodi Pamana, particular education, limited resources, infrastructure, and funding. Do when they do that, the loot the Aba, as how does hot him as the Clay Abu had do Lamana, but he the MUN Taket or Tapita Makero, the blue Otowe, they do when they do, there's no question about it. As how Tobo Talu the partner do. Otobola resources curriculum support name KECD mana current teacher working group ya tinyala awane the block children no name odo awane a curriculum duela copy of curriculum psychomega KED curriculum psychomega so awene khasunya data dirpa another challenge how are we going to streamline our uniformity, consistency, education delivery, the curriculum support. The pathways to higher education. I can do la kopudu piasumu dirpa payabadu piasumu dirpa dugo over na basara baganyo la piasumu le du TCI the kadi dinya the mahaga Tarakapi with the god of Babu the Nui Hinika went there Badabake Karen National College Utolia the Yama went there Bonsani so Meweda da Gaso the color again la Boquasem but Tiba Batak Kumano that he Uto Ato da love how higher education Piasumi the Parago la popo di believe the park le kasunya gone da kweta ya the park he ato kene TCI ne tani ma awe the hi weda aga sila so awe tani jobo graduate awe ne adot the si no ana ne la uda aga thu ne pha awe the ni hi ne ba aga sila hoda ne infrastructure way never ba ma ato ba challenge the caliber ba so como sikon la so akhe ni du ye do hi ni da sakato da set po no ye da de aba da sakato le yi do ne nya li ho do ya yi do yi da le khoplu ula Australia ni da ba phla de se ye ula New South Wales state bu da ne ba education system ne o third ka the kind of independent, but with the independent is a Christian school, they may call a private school, they pamona. I call it independent, so I get Christian school, Baptist school, or independent school pala. The Catholic education I get aware, I mean, who the plaza gonella. The Mimi Yaragadu Yamala Public Department of Education, but do Atama. The public education they do, we take but Jopu Architecture. Bamlane Pala, Putela Pala, Argedu, public education support Paco de la Mona, Pala, Asi Omega, Pala, Asido May, Arge, Mupalasi, or the Padu, Papola private, independent, medium Catholic system with Pamona, who then they do for the public system do Babaqua Semeta or Mimio, but Dada the Pala or Siconala. Away they do public education. Away plan for New South Wales public education away ni but aim and objective la way bukwi mahaniga where the tutor the touch away 6 areas မှာနော် 6 areas ဒီလေခေါပခလခစီလာဘာစာ 6 areas mainly နေတာ public education la New South Wales ကနေအဝဲသေးပို့တော့ reform တော့ marito the best education မှာနော်အဝဲသေးတော့ဝဲလာအဝဲနဲ့ a commitment every student learns grow and belongs in an equitable and outstanding education system အဝဲနဲ့ပါ commitment ဟိုတာနဲ့commitment နဲ့အဝဲပြဝဲတာလားခေါပလို့တာ 6 areas away equitable outcomes advanced equitable outcomes maybe strengthening and trust and respect for teaching profession pamla ne apu kui ni jodra da pa argini bata pa ke ba le pati ko ni jodra ta phita ma ni bata pa ke ba oda lo so da le public school system nya bo ma no pa so ko mo da le bata phita ma da a no ko du public system tara mujhe ba mara aakatela latika ve baule ne but dara de pa ula puta de pa la hella background disadvantage background art say that with a okay with the focus la puta la ka sara best start in learning so okay sara la kindergarten before kindergarten preschool level ne with the magi thoda a process de pa art tho the okay focus with the agar khasigo la leadership la bachu leadership me ke okay yo la leadership team bu ta ne ba la aphoko ne he pressure he art ho mane nya mo no okay ne ba magi thoda ba ka leadership la teaching and learning the core best practice ba he type of program ne ka ba me with a high quality evidence based curriculum the resources de pa the high increased literacy and numeracy when you focused when you do lucky link the mana pala ami do tinya ato with agar kind student well-being in puta well-being and development and redu good dane away the putela yakal de ato sebuka we lucky to need to me with post school pathways sigi do mi ne baka ka software ma sa ju putka ile bona so when part of the whole plan mono education plan level put that right the meta just the taught pias more kama ato damaluma do post school learning opportunity mege employment opportunities mege with the kwatwe wera jupu satala lifelong learning mono oda pa ola Australia pay do argue oda 3 section mono primary ne kindergarten to who secondary ne junior secondary ne nui .c da whether mi ne whether ni ba record of school achievement certificate we put what they call a record of school achievement rosa ne whether le edam ma lo ato apprenticeship thoda jo with apprenticeship they let or take ne di do definitely a jaw mo no di do whether they go technical and further education when it to me piasomo ba sa where the loga di the tertiary study the cask on la minimum employment pathways the power the gleniwela ba sa pala puta le do le university do sikito ka ba set hawe kini ni lo the puta di pa lo soda bo he had to let ko me bo had to migrant di pa me puta di pa the clue mimi primary school a circuit do where they thoda di the normal lo asa mimi la nui do da phoko ni li ne where the ka ba thowe anui kisila intensive English center ni ma service where they provide with support when depending on the pain bukitiba holistic development of a child no secondary ne away ni do subject the pa love English math science history geography and sports they are do with mandatory topics the pa ne la subject the pa ne la ba sa do jopoko ada nui do da kho do de ba malo we da khala ka si la phe away the ne a program ne pwe la languages or business studies or economics or legal studies, industrial arts, home economics, computing, multimedia, photography, visual arts, dance, drama, music, music that yakwatwe dance music that yakwatwe languages that yajosiga. So that you put it upon in me where at ni where that quite la holistic education. So na kwat na tiba na tu the troka pa ko nyo put it pa ta uta da uta la ti ga ko puta di pa los ho de mane la no the pay but focus on the student center learning but maybe the curriculum support but oda student well-being bamsa adige ba phodi pota di paneta oda shi but they ba yu da la phota no daga ma no individual attention la ju photi da daga go a shi oda di le mo pa ni oda di le awe oba awe oda mental health da with the medium aga da khane learning support ju phur ga ni oda lu ba dot da ti pa ulo go la ka ma lu da go di to awe a disability or ba kwa me da khala khase we ju phur ga ni ka tho adot si la ka set ho university where the transition pathways ba kwa 20 or khala khase the holistic khala khase ma no so the student well-being so a team so in go head teacher well-being the tapita ma go with a school counselor the tapita ma go so away they do la Australia pay the akane do adige patra do ka finyala mana akane 21st century learning akane puta de pane puta la appear de pane with the baduma where they were project based learning where they Bama where about Upma Takoda la group the where the real world problem the ka mi uba pune where they kaba kwaklu solution where they tapita ma mi where they sara la mi to la tigi to ne bama ni project so where they bama ka sala so either that project is pa kle ta ki ba go ne where but to call it 4 C's critical thinking, collaboration, creativity, communication. I think we need to agadu kita la puta tipa la I need to software I did a project tipa keleta ki bago with a STEM name with a science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Also a coding. Kepo puta tipa mahagala yati tara Robert aweto weda tagola put a jupu tipa where robotics na baka robots they part where they bama anok is a coding they baba tibona that let the part the okay loki kita do artificial intelligence and do the pata hu lot ru ko ne ke satola ata puta ata huni ne where they bama lu artificial intelligence education mandatory the hula amaga drakapite you go ne grade 6 ne bama lu coding the awani siko sura Pidele Australia ma name ma then again kidnap the set okay ma but AI ne came up but rather we je pasukumuda the set money la basa okay AI ne ulata la ko bude la hoda ne okay ye jo phu chana ke mi ma research ne but the pali la ba okay but through AI with level the mila ma assessment the pa ma no basa di the information ne ba ka tinya clear the lu mal the circuit dollar ba ka pali but they bad hoi PhD thesis doc hanya ne pattern la AI da pa ma thu do gist calculus ma no so ro ju phu ti pa ma da sakana ne clean ho ma ne nya ma no so da pa thi ba ti pa la da tu lo ti pa ne lens educational landscape ne le khoplo ma ne nya li ma no Oda ne du abu kata la ma no with us to the ya da hi da sector ada seli food for thought ne pa ke thi ba la pa kanyo puta ju phu ti pa go wide gap of educational opportunities ma no la puta la ula ko pati ma mya me ula mutro me ge ula Australia me ge ula Finland me ge da ba gap ti pa ne le pu kui me ne ya le so how do we not close the gap, how do we make the gap smaller again? So babas hukumuda the say. But edoma babakalu it pa dalet holet ho bagamata go le. The lack of or limited prior knowledge, but puta the depending but thinyala. The clue yethuluda concept the kane yeba but they activate prior knowledge. But vikwada the pa but yeah stimulus the kakala ditha puta jupurgane kasukumu weda at finyala abugwi pa the baba linkila concept la athola pukathuloni so da way ne puta la prior knowledge mitu uba puni bakalema how are we going to activate the prior knowledge awata mitu uba ne but da thuluni ko khemne nya mono hodane but da sukumu pa heko head ho the Babakalu ne Artige Buddha the Pamila a deck what we make a let the war we Buddha Batile very low self esteem no or the Torakila but the meet the floor and me had the Torakila so Bamu Baba people who that let it partner but the community now anymore with us meet Lubata to me Anokasane Mawet the Ba the Tama Tama feel or that's it low self esteem no you mata baba mata the ba when you pakalu at yetiba no agine puta dida ne aga takayama takakia la self confidence when you batiba when you general trend or identity literacy and numeric skills the kanaki I will read to good with a limited or limited access to technology infrastructure the resources when it the maybe sometimes overlook whether put that trauma or refugee camps trauma the mental health that when it block up but you the department neither yet Jews but Australia pays trauma and mental health but they top priority la Jopone a well-being me to ubara damhaluma doni to ubala without a well-being priority la but jo the department without trauma and mental health do la papa the department these are but like hopeful to do but ignore the thing no but let me yap with no but with the but you put it back all the learning difficulties lots of but lots of gulava name with universal language one so that Kamalu Gulawakla do English as additional language they do Dalu the Paku Aji the learning difficulties that were articling but the thing about Keju drama learning difficulties or the blue kanya cognitive difficulties the Asperger's syndrome the damn with dyslexia the but now who know about ye Keju drama ye thinyaro dyslexia ne put that part ne only li awadi ne aware tiweba limiguela aware li plumber jane aware who yet the vinya or then in aware the batomia man the or stained glass mono or then medium about here or a blue color our name is our lead ne so this is a music about maybe the abu pini but the thing about no the power than thought no so a lucky to do whether creative solutions he does so that the step whole non-negotiable the party way no look about now because I me but I like couple of apocalypse the partner angelo so that go mabu pleba when it do now his divine intervention within Munipela the Yama Basad. The clue when in the Peter Malaba Mother and Nebamala with about invest la probably the Pacasunya gone but they do on your mona Basa Mama Gita the Pakalu Takalu Athone about my build our self-confidence. Learn more about people for me the ma piaba the probably the panagi group of killer hold on name more about people start holla but to give that one about self-confidence but put that the pagonilla the about mentalities the block of barba budo that's all that's all that need to block game that's all that neki masara ne ulakula wakwan itu lokan neba ta kesaga hitara ni baba tuze loka ulakula apala di ni thawa baba pidele ba ula victim mentality ni ni the fever like for long term ni baba kalu ni baba but we must address our mentalities one of our mentality la ba me particular la approach so baba magi thoda that needs some with the power no with a regular build capacity ma gito ta u ti pa he ta u do pa mo no with a instill collective efficacy ke ne me wera sta sa to agi la ba so ko mo ro ke la collective efficacy he who to get the go but who resources the department no with a lucky about self-reliance los hora apugui la kila Trump turoge tam sothema se the flow on affect the aji the penny kama pasata katura self-reliance akene baba sukumu na kasunya ni hoko klani ta uta but the vinyani ba hoda ne wani na ke baba sukumu sikon no hoda ne creative solutions te pane ko di le away do oda yeta ti kwa la ma da yeta sukumu the settlement da yeka pla ka ma Q&A mi ba pu da patet ku ate agree to kitati instill the love of Christ and the love of learning to seek wisdom and the truth mana di da yete to le apukui la introduction khani me weda da we la pata pita mane we la ya ta khani me weda YWAM our CEO la ko pyo tra Peter Lame our hair card our de Peter ye pama 414 in the nya bam la ye ti kwa 414 ni tam le ti kwa da our de 414 ni me weda putha ta ulwi ni di la de silwi ni me weda foundation la ke ti nya yak lu ke tha ni ta omu ta ke do thole to go ni so away ni me weda 414 window opportunity la baka invest la putha ti pa go ni so for children ministry for youth ministry la Croatia mege KBC mege KBC mege KBC de pala khokudobi pa ma degi la mana when you do patalu tela ba when you tapita ma da agi de phane de kasema patiba atu sa de phane lobolo mu aji lo ka saya ma da khoplo pa karakro de pa ya kri ta opho de pa ne lobolo mu lo ko ta ne de tela do ba but you you get teacher creative and performing arts like la you to away ye te he ba pakwa de ye amu pa je ko block on ni mu pa ta ne music ni ba mam la music ni ye phu ni mi ma music ni get a doctor ba nu no ba sa paklo la sora ba paklu pa put that the body to go with creativity the self expression mono either a confidence ka go osigone ne music drama dance with the art the pane me weda with the holistic development ogone akadu ajilo hoda ne pa ministry ne art ke pathui ta sera wasadu yes do ma ke weda the music education as part of their daily life when the meter le Sunday school ma the meter or le male the room ma dito tadita umi ta tu ita semege dito confidence boosting in the drama ne te ki la ye chu ni ba ti ba chu pu drama chu pu di pa atara satala ni khoti da li kita ne our confidence level ne khoplo atatulu khotlu activity di pa ni chu pu ni holistic development ne patiba ma no when value added growth ne agatola the drama ni sigo patiba oda ne baba he tu ba ato yesu la couple creative either muga side of things ma no with abugi satala ye hagila ke kumuna ne ya o thodo yita suku ka fast forward education ba klu phota di pa ni mi ba de ne but the rajiji papudo se phokate o phota ni negle tulu awe ATM at the vinya ni negle tulu odile whatever me sege wede populi di pa ne da o da la hoku kla da du thole tho di pa ne wede ti thi ba o la ke kumu de ne o da la tara de ni la awe di na hu la ma no o da ni ya ni ke yesu ku mu tho da takha di to away do da sukumo study la fast forward education me wala de meta na de me ora audio visual phota de phane khela Australia phane phota de ba we kwa weda Facebook reel ni short video phota de ba no we de malu a tho la reel phota de phane Purta da non le maluda la TikTok ni pami tulu le mawe match tuition le TikTok boko TikTok ni tarani tulu ni the pia bu awe a very short videos bo chola hoda ni yati ke blu ke phula pa lu phu dir pha me internet access ni ko khela la thilo ko bu da lo dir pha ba sa ro pami or depository la short educational video phu dir pha la pa tu or di to ado supplementary material dir pha la KED jo dir pha me ke jo phele me no la link ba link la curriculum no the akane pa here pinya pa lu phu ta so what that's the balance what they call it the digital creator, the content creator. But me pool resources that with the me ma athora me that we got the online present. You do put again mahani gane Henry Trent where gave Vietnamese portuga. Awene a piegatel you jola mahani gane awene ba 8 Australian University admission a tertiary education in admission rank 899.89 99.89 in Nakanuba Cathedral Ardigi University in 99.999 99.85 Lema already done new mona do new medicine so our Jupuni and Nimawe put that on a music agila Ardigi Basa Abuini at the Malu music Basa Abuki kini ne awe malula YouTube kalakase bata ata sugu mudir pane thona ne university jopuri puda le phiat si koma no basa the power of online education YouTube education ne ba de le ba ko nya pudir pa ba class he access la get bu ba go di to baga fast forward ke da sugu mudir ba da TV ba da malo dir ba no ne couple video clip pudir ba ne ata malo ma do ne ka clear on ne nya mo no yeta ti hoda ne already do me with a space color ba depth ku da la baga provide infrastructure di le yefinya let de go la the world di ba ne me uto ba internet ba baga ma di le tra ma di ba le ka le bale mani laptop ga plug via projector di ba ka ma di le me ini ne na infrastructure ba so ko mo kha sunya ma na also digital literacy ne kha sunya go 21st century land da go do ba to lo aso clear ba pho di pho ta de ba di ta to ko to o to akhai di mi de ne pho ta di ba la de la bo la kla ne na ja me ne nya li mo na ba sa da ba gi class ma fast forward di le the ba pool resources global at a global level mo na when ne ba so ko mo to go ne mera da or creative solution to the panel but akane online ne akane ba we did lab ba lu the panel very connected online ka dalola America ne get hot that ne akane but the nya khop blog column na khop lu ba social influence the ba he o thom ne nya li ba nya gede siko hoda ne ba hini ba network la global at a global level no yanan no kasana gi dalo to loka bam so bata sakato to ba me bata pita ma ti ba sara ba ka ma ta ko di le at a global level no ba otho we de la pathways ba ko bana de ba so ko la ba link ko pa yo Croatia KKBC KBC USA ba ma ko di le ba so ko mo link me global di me basa di da ado global user ye le de ne ba ma ba ne ba host cap mo da ni ka ka ni ho da ni basa ro la platform online platform ne ba ma ko da di le ba no ye so mo du ka sakare du ko ma basa ye so mo ba o online global networking da kha lo so ra ba ko da intellectuals current intellectuals ba pu to ka lo to go da lo on a regular basis no either okay so yeah me ma data don okay yeah to global away so se da ma lo aso kita da blo ye na ga sa ko da ye ti ba tra de ma tho de ba ye da ye ke ye ke class he to ko la de di to ka man lu tho da se ko ho da a lo ki kita do away ma no train up a child in the way he should go even when he is old he will not depart from it me weda Lokita resources sebula la ya moto di to jutra ga to ni ora ye do he death go da mo no de me he ba ora death go da ta so go mo de ba khoplo da da be phala ba ko nyaw pho di pha ko ni lo mo ya su ba pa du bi de pha da pa wala e to da death go da lo lo